How na dey? Na me Bella na get. I don't come again today with another bonge story. That kind of thing. I also not forget the name of our program, Sha. Na reality story. So my today's story I get for now today. Now one of my clients nice and come. And this story is not about our brother. So this our brother so thought they stay the same town with them because the brother they work for another place, for another town. Say so recently the brother call her mother, their mother. Call the mother say, Mama, I dey come visit you soon. Marco say, as I dey come so, I dey carry the girl no marry, cause I don't see girl. And Marco say, don't see girl. Say yes, say and I love the girl. I bring her, they come. Marco say, I bring her come and see you. Then I see girl who like you won't marry. Then the Marco say, okay. It's not so. Say the brother come visit them. So as the boy come, then the mama see the girl. Then Marco call the boy say, I don't like this girl. I don't like this girl. You cannot marry this girl. Never. And then the brother call ask Mama, the girl do anything before? Say no. Why you go say make I not marry her? You say not just like her. I'm expecting the girl no rhyme, so I know me marry her. I go say, Mama, I love this girl. You say forget about love. You find somebody else marry. I go say, Mama, the girl I tell you so she don't get belly for me, and I thought she get belly. Ma say tell me she go about the belly. I say, Mama, why you go tell that house me my girl go about belly? Your own grandpa, you want me to go about time? Say forget that thing. You go always see another girl. You go always get another belly go come. Say the boy go say, Mama, leave my girl. I love her. Learn to like her. And the woman go say, okay. Say meanwhile, because my 1 week they come to cause stay. Say meanwhile the mama so now worker for one of these government hospital. But only say na cleaner she be. Say so one day when they house before the 1 week go take run up so they take home. Now the only the two, the mama and the girl. The mama go carry juice come for the girl. Because the girl say no drink. The girl say she go drink. Say don't say the mama already put drug inside the juice. Say for as the girl drink her finish, why put the drug so that the girl go drink and make the belly for flush. But as the girl drink her finish now, belly not flush, the girl I call the tongue, throat, tongue don't they come outside. And the man call the shout, neighbors, me no come more, me no call help call rush. What happen? Say actually now drug she put for the juice or make she for take to flush belly or not me to kill her more. So for the rush the girl hospital, so the girl take that. The girl just end her life like that. So the girl family they call here the matter. Now they come town, call arrest the boy mama. The girl they talk and say all the efforts to take measure so they pay the mama come on for sale. No way, no work. Say the police refuse to grant her bail. Lawyer self not even grant. They not even when lawyer work the matter and not still work. Say that like the boy, the girl family they tell the boy now say the only way when you go take bury this girl, when you go take bury this girl, you have to marry the girl. You go marry and break the Harry for her head because she get belly for you. She die with belly, so you go marry this girl first before you even think of your mama. Say so. Wait till me she they call bring this story come a reality story. Yeah, because we want me reality story. Make everybody with our viewers, make everybody put maths together and pray to God so that God will touch the get papa start you know go tell you brother maybe I come marry the girl because brother not get money. When brother get they already use that for the case. We have still release the mama and 2 million for still release the mama for them. So you want me to release her mother, make God touch them, make them for release the mother and make the brother for not marry the girl because person daughter I won't marry. You know what that guy make the family just let us say maybe brother bury the girl like that. So that we make her carry the story come with us. So my people I don't hear the story, my story be that. My dear, I see your story and I go treat them. Make her tell you, say you as a girl are shame for you. Because you don't try at all. You call yourself woman and you wish you see the kind of talk when you talk more for months. Assuming that you did that get sugar for this now your enemy like that. You go talk that kind of words. Your mama kill person. That not be only one person, kill 2 people because you kill the girl, kill the people with the you think you go they wish they think of say our mama do not good though. You they see man they talk say they not marry the cops. Maybe they just bury her like that. Maybe they put her for ground bury like that. If not you go grieve. Now your mama say that one of your mama picking, you go grieve. Even say the boy they get family self, they're even nice. They only just me your brother just come marry the girl, they may bury her finish. They're nice now. Some family go just say they go for ask of your brother head. But family they still they understanding. Just say okay, may do marriage, may bury the girl. Then now you talk that you see as some big thing. Marry the cops, then bury her. You wish the one say the family, the girl family lost the girl forever. How do they think? You be woman. Tomorrow you go born children. What for that happen to your children? How you go feed that? What you talk, now you go talk. Or you have to one of your sisters. Now what you talk? Or you see now you even have to. Now what you talk? Your people go they talk. Don't talk like that. You think of your mama. Your mama don't keep person. You talk of somebody they call Bay your mama. Not that for your mama matters. For me, you go post her for now. Your mother wicked. As a mother, a very wicked woman. Say one flush picky. Which right he gets to say one flush the belly for the girl? If you don't like the girl for her son, you don't talk to the son, say you know what, you go with me the girl born the picky finish, carry the picky take, no carry the picky take, tell the girl say carry you and your picky no, we not marry you, we accept the picky no, but we not marry you. It's simple. Don't be say go take the life or say want to bought the belly in your grand picky. Your man not get conscious. So. For this matter, so I realize this story I receive man. Invest me well. You cannot expect that kind of talk from you. You're supposed to be shame for what your man do. Nobody talk say me they fall. We not they pray for that kind of prayer. Say you go your brother go marry the girl. We don't marry that corpse finish, therefore they call do the burial. Therefore you call they think of say your mama ready. You start for me safe, not for me bad thing. Your mama go rust for there. You go old for there, You go old for there. I don't go grant, I don't give me the grant a be. Family even good self, they won't even still grant your mama be. They make mass they carry and now your mother to suffer. What is to suffer? They turn her upside down, be the driller. Again, this is what we talk so I better clean your mouth. You understand? You be woman. You're supposed to feed the. I'm saying not even they feed the girl debt now. Not even paying you, not consigning you, because you cannot be your relative. Not good though. Since your man never marry wife for your brother, so no problem. When you don't release them, may go find wife, may marry give her. Yeah? That's what they pay me for the innocent girl. We just lost our life and with that innocent baby. Their blood will always be for your mind. Not beside the swear for them, but that the truth and the love come and be that. But anything a person sow, you go reap her. And so I'm waiting I just get to talk. Not getting that to talk again. That's the truth. And that the story be that. So my people, next time now come and go to another monkey story. Till then, be good.